Are you stuck in the daily grind watching the economy shift and wanting a different path to income? Perhaps you've considered starting an online business, but the idea feels overwhelming. In today's landscape, with the rise of remote work and the expanding gig economy, launching your own online business is an achievable path to financial flexibility, even for beginners. Many individuals are finding success in online business now. New digital tools and platforms are making it simpler to start an online business from home. News stories consistently highlight individuals building successful side hustles and ventures. You can stop dreaming and start building. If you're a complete beginner interested in learning the foundations of successful sales in this digital environment, discover more in the ebook How to Sell Anything to Anybody, Become a Lion of Marketing by Jasper Capri's. The link will be available in the description. So, how do you actually start an online business from scratch and transform that aspiration into real earnings? The core is clarity and action. First, identify a genuine problem you can solve for others. Then, select a low-cost, high-impact business model that fits your resources, such as freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, or simple e-commerce. Establish an online presence, whether it's a basic website or a social media profile. Focus on delivering value to your early customers and refine your approach based on their feedback. How to start an online business is about taking that crucial first step and adapting. Ready to stop dreaming and start building? Hit that subscribe button for more actionable steps to start an online business and truly thrive in the digital economy.